The DD Shade Guide is a practice-oriented and individual solution for optimal shade taking with our dental direct zirconium oxides, no matter what type. With DD Shade Guide we try to close the communication gap between dentist and laboratory. Our DD Shade Guide contains an 8 or 16-piece holder, sticks and fixation clips to hold the teeth in place, and last but not least our USB stick with the STL data record. If you want more individuality in your zirconium oxide teeth, then use our DD Art elements.